girl there with the pink colored eyes. That's actually my gum that I was hoping to find to feel like that. I just made it with hair because that's my hair color. These are just where, if you saw my group video or Gacha group, you check that, and these are my UGCs. I mean, my OCs, why? But anyways, this is pretty good, and I made it really special because this is a very special. It's special, guys, okay? It's special. It's real special. And please, just look at her with the orange hair. She looks like Elizabeth Upton from Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The blue cat. I don't know why did I just make her so blue. Even though why does she kind of look like Freddy when she likes cats? I'm not saying that I don't like this OC what I made. It's just saying. And okay, so this is kind of matching like Leader's eyes, and I don't know, cause I have been thinking names of my OCs. I already got my name right there. These are my tinies. I don't know why they just made tiny stuff. This is my OC with the white and yellow shirt, and it's pretty good. I like it. And I don't know why, I just made that, I just thought in my head, why? Even though that I've been working on these curtains last night, it was around 8 o'clock, and that's why I've been making like some videos so much because one, I upload videos on my first thing on my desk. No, just week that I just said that. When I did not join on 2013, I joined on 2022. As you can tell, this is 2013, and yeah, I'm trying to be famous to get the silver YouTube logo and the golden YouTube logo and the diamond YouTube logo. And yeah, please, if we get to 100 subscribers, I'll make something this special video. Okay. Yeah, I'll see you later.